Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to cook sopas with corned beef. Start by heating 1 tablespoon of cooking oil in a large pot over medium heat. Sauté 1 medium onion, chopped, until softened, which usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Then, add 2 cloves of minced garlic and cook for another minute until fragrant. This aromatic base is crucial for a flavorful sopas. Next, add 150 grams of corned beef to the pot, breaking it up with a spoon, and cook until it's lightly browned, about 5 to 7 minutes. Pour in 4 cups of rich chicken broth and bring the mixture to a gentle boil. Once boiling, reduce the heat to a simmer and let it cook for about 5 minutes, allowing the flavors to deepen beautifully. Now, stir in 1 cup of elbow macaroni. Cook it according to the package directions, which is usually around 7 to 10 minutes, ensuring it's al dente. Then, add 1 cup of chopped cabbage and 1/4 cup of sliced carrots. Continue cooking for another 3 to 5 minutes, or until the vegetables are tender crisp, adding a delightful texture to your sopas. Finally, pour in 1 cup of milk and heat it through gently, being careful not to let it boil, which could curdle the milk. Season your sopas generously with salt and pepper to taste, adjusting as needed. Ladle the warm, comforting sopas into bowls and garnish with fresh chopped green onions for a burst of color and flavor. Enjoy this hearty and delicious meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.